Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I heard that Big Lots has started putting out their fall decor for 2023. So let's go shopping and take a look around and see what they have to offer for this season. And we're also going to visit two Big Lots stores in this video. So we're going to start with this beautiful wreath here that is made out of the whitewash looking beads, and at $19.99 I think that is a reasonable price for this size wreath. We also have this second wreath here that looks like it has some jute twine on it, and it gives this pumpkin a little 3D effect for $24.99. During this walkthrough, I am going to focus my attention only on the brand new items that Big Lots has put out for this fall season. I did notice as I walked through the store that some of the oldie but goodies are back. I saw some repeats in some lanterns and some repeats in wreaths as well. I thought these Sherber pumpkin pillows were absolutely adorable, and they were so soft to the touch. These topiaries would be great to decorate your front porch. You could put one on each side of your door, or you could place them on a console or entryway table. Now these woven basket weave pumpkins were beautiful in person. Not quite sure if these are repeats from last year, but they will make great transitional items. I have noticed that during my shopping excursions that I'm running into a lot of squirrel decor mixed with acorns and a lot of woodland creatures such as owls and foxes for fall 2023. Big Lots also carries outdoor fall decor as well. These are called decorative leaners. You can use these on your front porch if you have one, or on your patio, or you could just mount it on your wall outside your front door. All of these will make great accent pieces to give your outdoor space a festive fall look as well.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all.
Big Lots offers a wonderful selection of indoor and outdoor accent rugs. Just look at this one here for only $4.99. Despite the rising cost in decor, Big Lots has managed to remain competitive with their accent rugs and mats. Also, Big Lots had some summer items left over that were 50% off the day that I visited this store. So if you're still looking for some of those summer items, most of these seem to be farmhouse style. And if that is your style, you might want to check out your local Big Lots. So now let's head over to Big Lots store number 2. Aren't these squirrel candles so whimsical and so adorable? I just love these little creatures, and they were only $5.99. I couldn't see myself ever lighting them and burning them. I would just want to keep them, in their regular form. Now, candles are another item that Big Lots does well. Where can you get a candle for less than $10 that comes in a beautiful packaging and smell great at the same time? Way to go, Big Lots. You are still competitive in the candle game. Candles are a great way to add that cozy factor into your home. And here I am going to give this candle a thumbs up. That pumpkin cream pie was out of this world. these pumpkin candles were beautiful as well. The little short one was $5.99 and the taller gourd looking one was $7.99. I really like the coloring of each of these. Now this candle right here, mwah, Chef Kids. That's that second pumpkin cream pie, and it has a beautiful fragrance. Gold is going to be very popular during the fall 2023 season. I have seen it in candles and in stands and in pumpkins. And this pumpkin here was very ornate for $26.99. This would make a great accent to any console table or a entryway table in the home. I like the muted fall colors on these acorns, and the bonus is that they light up as well. I want to thank you all for stopping in and shopping with me at Big Lots today. I hope that this video has inspired you to go out to check out your local stores to see what is available, and that it has ignited you and got you excited about the upcoming fall season. If you are new and this is your very first time stopping by and you would like to join this wonderful family, just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you, and I would love for you to be a part of this family. Until the next video, happy decorating. And don't forget to come back and see me, because the next video that I am going to post will be a collective haul of all the fall items that I have gathered. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.